Peter Rabbit's pop-up Easter egg hunt. Wow! Peter Rabbit, he lives in a sandbank underneath a very big fir tree. A sandbank, it is near a river and has lot of sand. And that area is below a big fir tree. This is the sandbank. One spring morning, it is time to decorate the burrow and get ready for Easter. Burrow is the place which is dug up from the soil and a hole is created and the rabbits live inside that. Would you like to see his burrow? Even the little squirrel wants to see where Peter Rabbit lives. So let's see. Can you see any burrow here? We have to look behind the bushes, I guess. Wow. Who's that? Is it the Peter Rabbit's family? Looks like. Peter Rabbit and his family. This is their burrow. This is their house. They live inside it. And they are all getting ready for Easter. They are decorating the eggs. They are coloring it. Wow. This looks like a lot of fun. Let's see what happens next. Before the egg hunt, Peter runs errands for his mother. At Ginger and Pickle's shop, he goes inside the shop and finds his friend fetching tasty groceries for Easter. What are they going to find? Let's pull this and see. Wow! His friends are coming out of the shop from the other side. They're getting so many things. Even Peter is right behind them. They've got so many things from the shop. Ooh, that's really nice. Everybody is super excited. Everybody is getting ready for Easter. In Mr. McGregor's garden, cheeky Peter pulls up some onions, turnips and radishes for an Easter feast. Look out, Peter. Here comes Mr. McGregor. Ooh, he's right behind you. What are you up to? Look what Peter is finding. He's getting some carrots out. Wow, he's getting some carrots out. What else is he going to find? He is going to take out some turnips. Ooh, we have to rush from there, Peter. On his way home, Peter passes by Jemima, Puddle Duck, waddling about the farmyard. Quack, calls Jemima. Quack! Where are those naughty ducklings hiding? She is looking for her ducklings. It seems like Peter wants to help. Would you also like to help? Yes, let's help find Jemima her little ducklings. Come, Peter, come inside. Ooh, there's an Easter egg right there. I guess Peter can grab that one. Now we are inside. Let's find the ducks, little ducks. Oh, here is one. Hi, little duck. How are you? Where else can we find the little ducks? Is it here? Yes, there's another one right here. Jemima, we found another one for you. Ooh. There's another one. How many have we found till now? 1, 2, 3. Wow, is there another one right here? No, we found another Easter egg though. That's super cool. And here's another one. Wow, let's see how many we have found. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we found 4 of them. Wow, 4 little ducks. Good job, Peter. Good job, everyone. Let's move forward. Wow, the special day is here. All right, Let's help Peter find some eggs. Can we find 10 eggs? Let's start. Let's look behind this bush. Ooh, one. Look here and there everywhere. Find the eggs. Help Peter find the eggs. Oh, Peter is looking here. He's looking behind the flower. Two. We found 2 eggs. Oh, wow. There is another egg. Right here. With the duck. 3. And here 4. Wow. Oh, squirrel has one. 5. There's another one here. 6. Then let's find another one. Can we find more? Who is this? Who is this? Who's inside the tree? Oh, it's Mr. Owl. We found 6 eggs on the front side. Now we are looking behind the bush. See, Mrs. Duck is also looking through the bush. So we have egg number 7 here. And we have to look for more. Can we find more? Oh, yes, that's egg number 8. Let's go behind the tree. Let's go behind the tree and let's find another one. Let's find another one. Can we find another one? That's egg number 9. And from here, let's go behind the bush and see if we can find another one here. Yes, that's egg number 10. Good job, everyone. Now that we have helped Peter find the eggs, let's see, did he keep all of them in his basket? Ooh. Wow, he has all the eggs in his basket, it looks like. Such a beautiful basket. Peter Rabbit carefully puts all his delicious Easter eggs in his basket to take home and share with his family. What a good little Easter bunny.